Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove parental control in Epic Games. Now if you guys have set a parental control in Epic Games, there's not like a fully featured way where you guys can remove it. Once it's set, it's set. But what you can do is disable it, which means every single time you try to do something, it's not going to ask you for the parental pin. You guys can disable it into some extent. To do that, you need to first search for Epic Games on your browser and click on the first link. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. From over here, click on the person looking icon, click on accounts. It'll take you to the account setting page of Epic. From over here, click on where it says parental control and enter your current parental control pin to log in. Click on confirm. Once you log in inside, make sure where it says always require a pin, make sure this is on. Once this is on, go on over here where it says social permission and make sure where it says this required pin to add friend is also on. Once this is done, basically it's not going to ask you for pin whenever you try to add someone or whenever you try to buy some. That is basically how you guys can disable your parental control pin. You cannot fully remove it, but you can disable it to some extent. That is how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.